As Jesus and his disciples travelled towards Jerusalem, Jesus sent 2 of them ahead with these instructions. Go to the next village and you will find a donkey tied up with her colt beside her. Untie them and bring them to me. And if anyone asks you what you are doing, tell them, the master needs them, and then they will let you take them. So the disciples went and did as Jesus had told them to do. They brought the donkey and the colt, threw their coats over them, and Jesus got on. As Jesus travelled into Jerusalem, a large crowd of people started placing their coats on the road, while others cut branches from the trees and spread them on the floor. The crowds walking in front of Jesus and those walking behind began to shout, "Hosanna to the Son of David! Blessed is he who comes in the name of the Lord! Hosanna in the highest heaven!" When Jesus entered Jerusalem, the whole city was stirred and asked, "Who is this?" The crowds answered, "This is Jesus, the prophet from Nazareth in Galilee."